waste management is considered to be one of the most serious environmental issues in the Philippines. The annual waste generation was estimated at 10 million tons in 2010, and this is expected to rise by 40% in 2020. The Republic Act RA 9003, otherwise known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, provides the necessary policy frameworks, institutional mechanism, and mandate to the local government unities. LGUs to achieve 20% waste reduction through establishing an integrated solid waste management plans based on 3RN: reuse, reduce, and recycling. While the efforts of LGUs are still very limited, with a mix of results in implementing the national mandate, this paper represents the experience of Cebu, a second largest city in the Philippines with about 1 million people, has shown to have succeeded in reducing its municipal waste generation by more than 30% over the last 3 years. The findings suggest that the impacts of the national mandate can be achieved if the LGUs have the high level of political commitment, development of effective local strategies in collaborative manner, partnership building with other stakeholders, capacity development, adequate financing and incentives, and in the close monitoring and evaluation of performance.